gonna clean the fridge. Take everything out, clean all the surfaces. It's also a good way to just kind of see what you have, because unfortunately, I have my least favorite setup of a fridge. No. I don't like when I can't see everything. I love a double door. Next apartment. So we begin. Best to work from the top down, because I'll take everything out on the top shelf, wipe everything, and then the crumbs or things get down on the bottom one. So it's work from top down. So just on the top shelf, what did we find that we didn't know we had? Fresh herby board cheese. This is a cashew cheese dip that's insanely good. You can get this at the Studio City Farmers Market on Sundays. I don't know where else they are, but Blode Koos. So good. Oh, it's like cream cheese. It tastes like cream cheese. Found some foie gras we need to eat up. My sweet friend Kira made me a homemade spicy butter, jalapeno herby butter for my birthday. Gotta eat through this. I don't even know how I still have any of this left, actually. Found some really old pickles, pickled radishes. I think we toss them. You know, it's like a spark joy. It's like a Marie Kondo situation, you know, like what am I still eating? What are things that may have had a moment in time and then don't interest me anymore? But I really try to not. I try to eat through as much as I can, but there's just some things it's like, it's gotta go. Roasted red pepper tapenade though. Having gone through all the food that we had in the fridge this last week, I feel like we did a good job. Now it's time to take this off, take a shower, cold shower, dry brush. Estate sale and thrift haul. Oh. Okay. Let's start with this two-piece suit. I've been wanting a blazer, a nice, like, more, I have like a cute pastel-y vibe color blazer, but I wanted a nice, sort of more neutral, darker tone. Anyway, this is what I found, and I love it. This is an Escada suit. It fits perfectly. Okay. Look at that, it's a little wrinkly, sorry. Okay, yep. I can see someone had gotten these taken in. I gotta take them out. We're gonna take them out. But it was too good of a deal to just not get both of them. They fit, but they're like, it's you know. I think I could get just like a little more room, might be nice. But oh my god, hello. Hi. Hey. So got this whole set for 25 bucks. Plus someone's dirty napkin. So that's great. Cool. Okay, next. My fiance was wearing these corduroys the other day. He like comes corduroys, and I was like, damn, those are cute. Like, I want corduroys. I haven't had corduroys in a while. So Laurel Piani pants. This like light blue, which I'm trying to salvage because I has these incredible like linen marine zared like knit woven pants, and I put them in the washer and they shrunk to a toddler size pant, and I've just been mourning them ever since. This isn't really like them at all, other than the color is kind of on point. But these little trousers, look at these. Oh my god, so cute. Fit like a glove. This was at the estate sale, and the woman was like, these are actually priced at $150. I was like, oh, never mind, like I'm not gonna get them. She's like, yeah, sorry, because they were in a different location. And I was like, oh, okay, never mind. And then we were tallying up my stuff, and she's like, you know, I do have the power to give these to you for $50. I was like, yeah, I'll take them. Love them. So comfortable, so cute, so cute. Okay, this Izzy top. Oh my god. And it's reversible. It's so cute. So mother. Yes, I have a dress by Izzy that I really, really love, and I want the pants in actually like a periwinkle color. So this is what I found for now until I find the pants to like match it up. And the other side, so cute. Look at this color. This color is so beautiful. We love. I don't think I feel cooler wearing anything else like Izzy. That makes me feel really good. Okay, lastly, the piece de la resistance. The piece de la resistance. You don't want to. Okay. This Giorgio Armani. Sorry. I'm sorry. Hi there. Hi. Are we obsessed? And it's like so comfortable. It's like almost velvety and feels like butter on my body, and all these buttons. It's so, so beautiful. With my coffee, like I don't particularly like the taste of this, but I know how good it is for you. But you know, I probably just would be better off just not drinking coffee. I don't drink it every day, but I really like the taste of it. I don't particularly like the way I feel when I drink coffee, but I really like the way it tastes. And just the raw milk in California is like a whole other game changer, because it's so much better than any other milk, even nut milk, in my humble opinion. Oh my god, if you haven't been to Destroyer in LA, if you're visiting LA, if you live in LA, you need to go to Destroyer. It is so divine. They have really good pantry, like little pantry items too. All the like mugs and plates that they use are from Match. It's right across the street, and it's like beautiful ceramic pieces. It's just a great excuse to go to Culver City, to go to Destroyer. I don't even use this whole thing. I'm not even using half of it, like maybe a third of it. You say, oh, why wouldn't you just drink decaf if you like the taste but you don't like the way you feel? Well, I'm not too keen on, if you've done any research on how decaf coffee beans are manufactured because it's a process and it's very weird, but to each their own. You know, sometimes I do opt for a decaf, but just it's treated with a lot of chemicals, so I just might as well, I might as well just have the caffeinated one that has less chemicals. I don't know. What's a color thing for me? Let's see. This is pretty light. I think we can add a little more. Just a little